Okay, then I will just create one more. So after that, this rag document tool, this node is pending. So what it will do, like again, same in the normal sequential agent, we have a document tool, right? So that same document tool we can use as a node here. So in this document tool as a node, we can again ask some of the questions, and we will through the LLM we can get the answers for that to process in the next node. For example, if we have a 4 5 nodes, and if we want the output from this document tool and then process on the next another nodes, so for that we can use this document tool. So quickly I will show simple example of this document tool. So document tool node, again we have to create this using simple by giving the name. Finally we will select. Now we have to select here the document tool name, or from which document tool name we want to use in this document tool node. So many tool name will be there. So simply I will select anyone, and we have to write the question, like what question they want to ask to this in from this document. So basically, this I will say this rag augmented tool document tool. Basically, it uses when we have some of the manuals is there, or some uh, policies is there. So that time to fetch the answers from that policies book or manual book, some topic based conversation is there. So to fetch that answers from that, so we will use this document tool node. So question we can hard code it directly here, or every time if user is asking different question, then we can dynamic this as well. So to make it dynamically, I will just simply create it here. So to make it dynamically, again we have to go to like trigger option, and we have to ask this from the user, like what kind of question they want to ask. So simply I will just create this trigger option, and the same I will create one variable just defining it, and and okay. So at the time when this user will invoke this workflow agent, they have to provide some of the question. So to fetch that values uh, from that document, we have to provide that it here. So we can, from the context, we can provide here that ask question. So dynamically it will, that question user will ask, it will come here. Okay, so this is how we can create this document tool node, and simply we can update it. So yeah, and if we want that again, if we from this document tool directly, we will not get answer. So for that we will require the LLM tool, because for this document tool it will fetch all the values from that document, like whole document it will get read by this node. But we want a specific answers from that question whatever user asked, right? So for that we can use the LLM node to pass that value, to pass that output from whatever the user has asked from. So I will use this LLM node, but I will say 1 minute. Sorry guys. So we will just say pass this output, and we will provide the output where it got stored from that node. So this value, this is the output value, and we can just as and provide the accurate answers, and we can just give question also for just safer side. So it is up to us if we want to add the citations also, like from what is the reference to the answers which LLM is providing. For that, if we need a citations also, then that also we can add it from this node output. So I have just added that as well. So just for the reference, like whatever the output is provided by LLM, what is reference like from where it is providing the answer. So that also we can add. We'll also write in format like do. So this is one LLM nodes also get created. So when user asks will question, that it will search in this document tool, then whole document tool output will be get sent to this LLM, and based on user query, it will check the user query and give us the output. So I will just check what document tool we have added workflow policy. One we have added, it has. Yeah, it has one document which is published, so we can test some example here. So when we trigger this, at that time we have to provide the question so that it will check in the document and provide the answer. So I will just ask what notifications will be sent during approval process. So what this question I'm asking, so it will check in the document and it will provide us the answer. So LLM will help us to pass that output, whole output, and only to give the what the question is relevant to. So it will provide the only the relevant answers. So now you can see whole output was this from this tool, and based on that, whatever we ask, so it will provide the answer. So what notifications are sent during the ECO approval process? So ECO promoted to review. And here, if you see this, it is showing as the citations like it is coming from change guide, that is a document name, and section 1.9. So this answer they are giving from this was section 1.9. So this is because coming because at the time of giving in using the LLM node, that time I given in the prompt like we want the citations, right? So it is coming due to this that output. So this is how we can use this document tool node. And like I said, if we have some question and answers over some curated documents like policies, playbook, manuals, topic based some document is there. So if we have to retrieve the retrieve some output from that document, so that for that we can use this document tool.